Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that highlights both innovation in medicine and the wonders of nature, China's newest medical miracle, the discovery and application of certain traditional remedies and natural substances. In recent years, China has made significant strides in integrating traditional Chinese medicine with modern medical practices, uncovering remarkable natural compounds with potential therapeutic benefits. These remedies, often derived from rare plants and herbs found in China's diverse ecosystems, ranging from lush forests in the south to the rugged mountains in the west, have attracted global attention for their healing properties. Join me as we explore how these natural resources are not only reshaping the landscape of modern medicine but also preserving the rich biodiversity and cultural heritage of China. Let's embark on this journey to understand the intersection of traditional knowledge and contemporary science. China's development of its newest medical miracles is the result of a combination of factors that blend ancient knowledge with modern advancements. Here's how they did it. 1. Integration of traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, with modern science. China has a long history of traditional medicine, using herbs, acupuncture, and other natural remedies. In recent decades, Chinese researchers have increasingly studied these traditional treatments with modern scientific methods, validating their effectiveness and refining their use. For example, the herb Artemisinin, derived from sweet wormwood, was a critical breakthrough in treating malaria and even won a Nobel Prize. 2. Government investment in research and development. The Chinese government has heavily invested in healthcare research, making it a national priority. This support has facilitated groundbreaking research in areas like gene editing, biotechnology, and AI-driven healthcare solutions. 3. Collaboration with global institutions. China has also partnered with international organizations, universities, and companies to accelerate medical advancements. By participating in global clinical trials and research projects, Chinese scientists have gained access to a broader base of knowledge and cutting-edge technology. 4. Advancements in biotechnology and AI. China has made significant strides in the fields of genetic editing, such as CRISPR, stem cell research and artificial intelligence. These technologies are driving innovations in personalized medicine, early disease detection, and minimally invasive treatments. 5. Biodiversity and natural resources. China's vast biodiversity has provided a rich source of medicinal plants and natural compounds. The country's traditional knowledge of these resources, combined with modern extraction techniques, has led to the development of new treatments. This fusion of tradition and innovation has resulted in groundbreaking medical advances that not only benefit China but have the potential to transform global healthcare. The impact of China's medical advancements on global healthcare could be significant, but whether these innovations will be accessible to everyone depends on several factors. 1. Cost and affordability. Many of China's breakthroughs, especially in biotechnology and AI-driven treatments, may initially be expensive due to the high cost of research, development, and implementation. However, as these technologies become more widespread and production scales up, the cost could decrease, making them more affordable. Traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, on the other hand, may offer more accessible treatments due to its reliance on natural resources, many of which are already affordable. 2. Regulatory approvals. For China's medical innovations to be adopted worldwide, they must pass stringent regulatory standards set by various countries, such as the FDA in the US or the EMA in Europe. This process can be time-consuming and costly, which might delay or limit their availability in certain regions. 3. Global partnerships and distribution. Collaboration between Chinese researchers and global pharmaceutical companies, healthcare institutions, and governments will be key to making these medical miracles accessible. If partnerships are established, it could help streamline the production and distribution of these treatments, making them available across more countries, including low-income regions. 4. Healthcare infrastructure. Access to these advanced treatments will also depend on the healthcare infrastructure of each country. While wealthier nations may have the facilities and resources to implement these innovations, lower-income nations may struggle to adopt them without significant investment in healthcare systems. 5. Intellectual property and licensing issues around patents and intellectual property could also affect access if treatments or technologies are tightly controlled by certain companies or institutions. They may not be widely available. However, China has been known to promote the sharing of medical knowledge in some cases, which could improve global accessibility. In summary, while China's medical advancements have the potential to revolutionize healthcare globally, their accessibility will depend on affordability, regulatory approvals, partnerships, infrastructure, and intellectual property considerations. Ideally, as these technologies mature, efforts will be made to ensure that they benefit people across all regions and income levels. The advancements in China are likely to inspire other countries to invest more in medical research and innovation for several reasons. 1. Global competition. China's rapid progress in healthcare technologies, such as gene editing, AI-driven diagnostics, and biotechnology has positioned it as a leader in medical innovation. This success can spur healthy competition, motivating other countries to increase their investment in research and development to keep pace and maintain their competitiveness in the global healthcare market. 2. Inspiration from breakthroughs. China's success stories, such as the development of Artemisinin for malaria treatment or its advancements in gene editing technologies like CRISPR, can inspire scientists and governments worldwide to pursue similar innovations. Seeing the real-world impact of these breakthroughs demonstrates the tangible benefits of investing in medical research. 3. Collaborative models. China's model of combining traditional knowledge with modern science has shown how diverse approaches can yield remarkable results. This could encourage other nations to explore their own indigenous knowledge systems, combining them with cutting-edge technologies to develop unique medical solutions. 4. Improved global healthcare standards. As China shares its medical advancements with the world, other countries may feel the pressure to improve their own healthcare systems and invest more in innovation. This could result in a race to the top in terms of healthcare quality, benefiting patients globally. 5. Economic and social benefits. Countries may recognize that investing in medical research can have broad economic and social benefits. A strong healthcare sector can create jobs, boost the economy, and improve the overall well-being of a nation's population. Witnessing the success of China's healthcare industry could prompt other nations to make similar investments. 6. Collaborative research networks. China's role in global research collaborations might prompt other nations to participate in or create their own international research networks. This could foster cross-border partnerships, enabling shared resources and accelerating medical innovation worldwide. In conclusion, China's medical advancements are likely to inspire other countries to invest more in research and innovation, potentially leading to a global wave of medical breakthroughs. The competition, collaboration, and the clear benefits of such investments will drive countries to enhance their own healthcare innovation efforts. The organizations and governments can and should work together to ensure that developing countries benefit from these medical advancements. Collaboration between different stakeholders can help bridge the gap in healthcare access and make sure that the impact of medical innovations reaches populations in need. Here's how this can happen. 1. Global health partnerships. International organizations like the World Health Organization (WHO), World Bank, and non-governmental organizations (NGOs) can collaborate with governments and private companies to ensure that new treatments and technologies are accessible to developing countries. These partnerships can help secure funding, streamline distribution, and offer technical support for implementing advanced medical solutions. 2. Affordable access programs. Governments and organizations can create initiatives to make medical innovations more affordable for developing countries. Programs like the Global Fund for HIV, TB, and malaria have shown how pooling resources and negotiating with pharmaceutical companies can reduce the cost of essential medicines. Similar models could be applied to distribute China's medical advancements, such as new vaccines, gene therapies, or AI-driven diagnostics, at lower prices. 3. Technology transfer and capacity building. to make sure developing countries benefit long-term, it's important to invest in technology transfer and local capacity building. Governments and organizations can facilitate training programs, knowledge sharing, and infrastructure development to help countries develop their own capacity to manufacture, deploy, and maintain new medical technologies. This can reduce reliance on external aid and create sustainable healthcare systems. 4. Subsidies and donations. Wealthier nations and global health organizations could provide subsidies or donate certain medical innovations to developing countries, particularly in the case of vaccines, diagnostic tools, or treatments for widespread diseases. Government-led humanitarian initiatives and corporate social responsibility (CSR) programs can also play a role in donating medical equipment or facilitating access to essential treatments. 5. Regulatory harmonization. One barrier to making medical advancements accessible is the difference in regulatory standards across countries. Governments can work together through international frameworks to harmonize regulatory requirements, speeding up the approval process for new treatments in developing countries. This would allow innovations like those emerging from China to reach markets faster. 6. Multilateral aid and investment. Wealthier governments, particularly those in the G7 or G20, can allocate more funds to health programs in developing countries. This can be done through multilateral initiatives such as COVAX, for vaccine distribution, or through direct foreign aid to help set up the infrastructure needed to utilize advanced medical treatments. 7. Incentivizing private sector involvement. Governments can create incentives for pharmaceutical companies and biotech firms to provide affordable access to new treatments in developing countries. This could be in the form of tax breaks, subsidies, or intellectual property sharing arrangements that encourage companies to focus on the global good, rather than just profit. If you've had any experiences with China's newest medical miracles or innovative treatments, we'd love to hear from you. Share your story in the comments below. Your insights could inspire others. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with others who might be interested, and subscribe for more updates on groundbreaking medical advancements. Stay tuned for more exciting content.